welcome back to another vlog and welcome to Believe in You. So as you can see, guys, हाँ कौन नाम ट्रांसफर ओ तो कोनो व्यापार 2 लाख টাকা গাড়ি কিনে 13,000 টাকা কোনো ব্যাপার So Saurav and Sarthak again. So we are going to Chandni Chowk, right? These guys are planning to get some custom build gaming PC. So we are just going there to check in the market for the estimation, parts estimation, and meanwhile see Saurav, he has got nice visor, dual visor. And it's been a really long time I shoot any video while riding, huh?
The most comfortable helmet in the world.
Oh, I see. Roads are very pathetic, like kind of a roller coaster ride I'm doing. So earlier all my vlogs, ride vlogs has been in Bangalore, most of them. And going onwards you will see the vlogs shooted in Kolkata. So the place has been changed and this is what happened in last 1 year. Like earlier I was staying in Bangalore and from last August I have moved to Kolkata. My employer has been changed. But from this year onwards, 2020, the life of people, the thinking of people, the way they live, the way they sustain, the way they survive, the way they do their work, the definition of life has been completely changed. And all the thanks goes to China and of its China virus. Usually this road doesn't seem like this much empty or traffic free. The life has changed, man. অনেক ফাঁকা না রাস্তাগুলো আগের থেকে We have arrived Esplanade, people's hot favorite for shopping and eating, and Chandni Chowk, where the electronic market or the computer goods market belongs, is in this area only. Oh, roads are pretty empty. Oh, the authorities has opened. People all over the mosque. I don't know, the people who do speed a lot on the road, the fucking guys who eat good cars, or I don't know, chew good cars or potty good cars, the good car eaters. So where are those fucking assholes with their mask? Government should ban this, good car eating. I mean, the good car should be banned itself. That's a fucking terrible thing. See here the red and fucking red. Stupid guys, man. Oh, aren't they breaking the traffic rule and making me do so? Didn't we break the traffic rule now? No. Sure? Horrible, man. How can I park here? Let's just do it. Oh man. देखने लगी थी
कितना देर लगेगा?
हाँ
कितना देर लगेगा?
1 घंटा
1 घंटा।
हाँ oh fuck. Oh, I remember like one time I rode over a footpath in Bangalore and I got fined. The traffic guy was asking for 100 rupees and somehow I managed for 70 rupees because I had only that much amount cash that time. Hope nothing happens to my scooter, my beloved scooter. And don't forget to take sanitizer. Life has changed, man. Okay, Sattaka, then tell me like what kind of PC you are looking for, like what is your budget, what are the brands are you in mind?
So my budget is around 80k, and more or less our consideration will be same. But
There is slight difference with the
as
processor and
as you know, as I am an editor, I work on Photoshop also and video editing also, and I want to stream also little bit. It's a casual streaming, so I will have a higher end processor,
and GPU also
and the GPU will be GTX 1660 Super, and mine will be RTX 2060. So my voice, I don't know how to say.
You don't know how to shout.
People will stare at us. Okay. So basically that's it. That's the difference basically. And another difference will be the motherboard. As I am willing to overclock my processor and GPU, so I will be getting a higher brand.
Motherboard more or less same.
More or less
More or
same.
less same.
More or less same. More or less the same. Basically, two difference are the processor.
Processor and
Each
the
processor
GPU.
will be, I think,
Main-
AMD
main difference is
Ryzen 5 2600. That has or 3300X Ryzen 3. That has 4 8 threads. Mine will the Ryzen 5 will be 6 core 12 threads, and Ryzen 7 2700 has 8 core 16 threads. The 16 threads will help in the streaming and all, and editing part. So that's why I am getting a higher end PC. So there will be a price difference, I think. How much?
Maybe 10 to 15k.
10,000 maximum, I think, right? Yeah, 10,000 maximum price. I think.
So like for motherboard and graphics card, you could have opted for like a Zotac, Asus or MSI. So
MS
like or
Gigabyte.
even Gigabyte. So like why are you like specific to Gigabyte or Inno 3D?
For graphic card.
Yeah,
No,
for graphic card and for motherboard Gigabyte.
Graphic card, Inno 3D right now is the best cheapest GPU in the market.
So like
They are
Zotac,
providing.
MSI, Asus, those are in higher
MS
price.
Zotac and Gigabyte kind of similar to Inno 3D,
Okay.
but Inno 3D is most cheapest right now. But MSI is way higher. MSI and Asus is way higher.
So efficiency remains same.
Almost same. Yeah, almost same. They are kind of overclocked. Some clock speed might be little higher, but yeah, that 1-2 FPS doesn't matter.
Okay. Okay, then let's hop into shops and see like
Yeah,
what we
let's
can get about.
yeah, let's go.
আমি একটা কথা বলবো, আমি ডিসঅ্যাপয়েন্টেড উইথ ইউর সার্ভিস। আমি ওখানে আরেক বললাম 0.5.
I don't know what is wrong with this mechanism of blowing machine. I don't know what is it blowing. And the media has come covering it. Oh my god, sudden showing my face. people are enjoying. It's good, man. Roads are clean, empty. I'm loving it. Only thing I'm missing is the rain. A little bit of rain would have been great. A month ago, these roads were much more emptier than today what it is. So like we hopped into a couple of shops. Only in one shop we got the estimation, and the other shops it's told like as you are planning to buy in the mountain, so just come 1 or 2 days before your date of purchase. Will give you the estimations. So only in one shop we received the estimation, and yeah, that is fine. Where are those guys? I lost them, man. So guys, if you have liked this video, you know what you have to do: like, share and subscribe. So if you are new to my channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. So that's pretty much it, guys. Stay safe, stay home, believe in you. GoPro, stop recording.